I'm making these simple parts, but I found some tricks here that are making it a whole lot easier and better. So this has one side done, and we can see there's these bosses that have to line up with these holes. But then have to get flipped, and there's bosses on the other side that line up with holes. So this part would have those bosses sit down in those dimples so that they're aligned correctly. But then I've got another issue, is because these are polymer, the outside diameter can vary a lot depending on your supplier or your vendor for that material. So these get put in, close the vise, and then I run a probe cycle to find the center of that. And that works great and makes sure everything's lined up, but it adds a lot of cycle time. So how I overcome that is I have a probe cycle right at the top of the program, and then below that I jump right over this program stop. So I say go to line 92. I go over that program stop and just start cutting. Now instead of an M30 at the end of the program, I just jump up to line 91 and then I hit a program stop. So that means that I only run that probe cycle on the first time, so it prevents me from running the program without touching up my offset. If I have material from a different vendor, I don't have to check that, but it also keeps me from having to run that probe every single time and just adding more cycle time. So with these soft jaws, I actually made a groove in here to lay a parallel so that when I put the jaws in the machine, these are lined up correctly. But I also found that works really nice for probe clearance, especially since these are pretty low profile. So yeah, just some simple things I found along the way that are really helping out.